Okay, I have the mic now. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Pay attention to this. Many people are complaining about Bondex, that they lost their whatever, they lost the available balance they had before they updated the app. Now, after you update your app, there is this new update, which is Web 1 and Web 2.0. The Web 1 was the option I personally, Ezewest, used to sign up in 2021 when I started mining Bondex. All right. Then last month or last 2 months, when this update came out, I updated the app. Then logging in, I noticed these two options you can see on my screen now. The one at the top where I marked red and the one below where I marked blue. So the one I marked red is Web 2.0, while the one I marked blue is Web 1.0. So if you use the one below to sign up initially, then use that same option to sign in again. Then for those of you who are saying that it's those that you refer that they deducted, I don't know about that. Okay, but you can make your findings because I did not refer anybody to Bondex. You're welcome.